Welcome to my last day at LanguageSitter. We welcomed a special guest to the office today.
Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm here with the European Experience. I'm here today because I wanted to experience a different startup in Slovenia. I also wanted to get more connections, and also I really wanted to work with Mark.
He joined us for our last language boot camp, and despite our best efforts to teach him, he only picked up one phrase. Kako si?
Ne razumem.
Kje živiš?
Ne razumem.
Kaj boš?
Ne razumem. Grem na
Straničja! After our weekly course meeting, we each gave the rest of the group a lesson on something new and valuable. I discussed different American dialects and sayings.
Let's talk about New York. And I don't know, Richard might be able to do a better accent than me because he's from Jersey.
Yeah, you say like coffee and dog.
Yins want to go to the Stillers game tonight?
What is that? It's a Pittsburgh accent, but I and most of us don't talk this way. Continuing in the spirit of the US, Richard showed us his home state of New Jersey. We celebrated my last day with burgers and reminisced about our favorite memories at LanguageSitter.
I can't express how grateful I am for my time here.
Thank you to Mark, Diana, Shpela, and Anna, and all of the language sitters for welcoming me here to your company.
Proglashala vas bom.
And of course, thank you to all of my viewers who have been cheering me on this whole time. Well, that's it for this adventure. Adio!
Hey, those of you who have stuck around until the end, you know how LanguageSitter likes to do those goofy music videos? We have a treat for you!